The time is here to introduce our next major update, Evolve in Zoom 8.2. Let's review 10 of the coolest features we've added in the Zoom desktop and web client apps. Ease of navigation is key to reducing time spent by editors browsing or searching through their asset repository. Let's review the new features in Zoom Desktop 8.2 that make this a breeze. Check this out. Mike searches for asset in the repository. He clicks on a soccer video to see a preview. He then clicks on Next or Previous buttons to navigate through the search results. Mike notices a breadcrumb trail of folders under which this video resides. He clicks on a parent folder from the trail above to quickly navigate to it. The left navigation panel automatically selects the folder Mike clicked. To change your profile or customize Zoom Desktop UI, you can use the new Settings panel to personalize the application. Check this out. Mike wants to change his profile icon. He clicks on Settings, followed by the profile icon. He sees he can remove and upload a new avatar image. Next, Mike clicks on the application settings. He observes there are a number of settings with defaults selected. He wants to show expired stock assets that are under a DRM license. To find the settings, he starts typing in the search box. Mike toggles Show Expired to On. After that change, wherever he browses or searches assets, expired files will begin to show up with their status updated at the bottom of the tile and the thumbnail grayed out. For a full list of settings that can be customized, please check out our Learn website. Advanced Search now allows you to limit your search to only the selected folders as opposed to earlier versions where the search would span across all your folders. Check this out. Mike knows that his soccer video for top 10 goals is within the Soccer Primos folder or video folder. He selects both the folders in the Advanced Search panel on the right. When he clicks Search, Zoom limits it to only the selected folders. Mike observes the revision info options for restricting his search to specific author who edited the files. He can also set the ingest date in the check-in date field to limit the search to a specific day like today, or choose a date range within which to scope the search. He can also search by comments his teammates might have entered in the check-in dialog when uploading the files. Mike wants to find graphic files that contain Evolve in the file name. He turns on the file type filters for illustrations and images. Now he performs the advanced search. Results are limited to just illustrations and images. These file type filters can be customized by the Media Manager from Visual Asset Browser. Tracking links to elements used in an Adobe CC project or the other way around, finding all the projects an element is being used in has always been possible in Zoom Visual Asset Browser. In this update, we have extended that feature to Zoom Desktop 2. With this feature, if your producers want you to locate the project that was used to create that banner ad for a client or a video on YouTube, you can do that in one click. Check this out. Sandy's marketing team is using a new color scheme for this year and would like to ensure Evolve in Blue logos are switched to the new colors. Sandy wants to find out which projects have used the blue version of the Evolve in icon. She opens the Asset Details view for the Evolve in Blue logo in the Zoom Desktop app. She then clicks on the Links tab to see all the projects using that version of the logo. Sandy can see the total number of links. Sandy is able to click on the PST project to easily navigate to it. This would have taken her hours to find out, but now is just a few clicks away. Artists editing with Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, or After Effects heavily use layers for graphics design. In order to view layers inside these design files, it requires the editors to open the file in Adobe CC app. However, the Layers panel in the Zoom Desktop can show the layer hierarchy to the editors without even opening up the app, saving valuable time. Check this out. Sandy needs to examine the layers used in an After Effects composition. She opens the After Effects project in the Asset Details view in the Zoom Desktop. She then clicks on the Layers tab to view the composition and all its nested layers directly without opening the file in After Effects. She can see the image sequence linked from a Cinema 4D project, Photoshop files, and more. Sandy can do the same for this InDesign file. or the Photoshop file, or this Illustrator file. Smart Copy or Smart Link is a patented Evolve in Zoom feature that ensures your duplicate media or elements never take any extra space on the cloud or on-premise storage. In this update, you will quickly see all the duplicates of an asset via the Smart Copy Smart Links tab in the Asset Details view. Check this out. Mike needs to reuse the Golden Gate footage from the library folder in a new promo project, San Francisco Top 10. He navigates to the new project folder under Promos, San Francisco Top 10. Mike creates a smart link in the footage/folder to the Golden Gate footage. He then checks the original video's asset details view. Mike is happy to see the duplicate he created is tracked under the Smart Links tab. He can also see the total number of duplicates for the video. He can click on the smart link and navigate straight to the duplicate asset. Zoom even shows an icon on the thumbnail that indicates this asset is a smart copy or smart link from the parent asset. Mike can click on that to navigate back to the parent asset. The best part is Smart Copy or Smart Link assets take zero space in the Zoom repository. The Zoom archive hubs such as the desktop-based AWS S3 hub can restore high-res media for any requested asset or folder. Till now, that feature was available from Visual Asset Browser. In this update, creatives can restore folders or individual files. Check this out. Mike selects the footage folder for the Bridges promo. He clicks Restore from Zoom Desktop. He selects high-res if both high-res and proxy are archived. Zoom automatically restores both using the Archive Hub. If only the high-res is archived, Zoom detects that and only prompts him to restore the high-res media. Once the high-res media is downloaded, Mike can see the disconnected link icon is now connected. He can mouse over to see the path to the high-res file in his media store. Mike can click on the icon to jump straight to the folder where the high-res files were downloaded to. Using the Zoom web client, it's easy to share a URL to the asset by copying it from the web browser's URL bar. Now in this update, Mike can easily right-click on the context menu in the Zoom desktop and copy the URL to the asset in the clipboard. After copying, Mike can paste the URL in an email or message the recipient. They in turn can click and open the asset in their web browser. Previewing or commenting on PDF pages has been available in Zoom for a long time. In this release, we have replaced the PDF viewer with a brand new one that allows small fonts or large pages to be viewed at a high DPI on Retina displays. Check this out. Mike has added a 41-page PDF with text in multiple font sizes to a collection shared with Sandy. When Sandy opens the PDF on a Retina display, she's pleased to see the high DPI preview of each page. To sort asset lists using metadata columns has been possible in Visual Asset Browser. In this update, the feature is now available in Zoom Desktop too. Check this out. Mike opens the list view in Zoom Desktop. Using the gear icon, he decides to add several metadata columns. He decides to drag the episode field and reorder it as column 3. Mike clicks on the episode column to sort the results in ascending or descending order. To make it easy to locate assets within a folder, Zoom Desktop now supports search with type ahead. Check this out. Mike wants to find a video about the Glacier Express train. He navigates to the library folder and starts typing videos in the search box. Zoom narrows the list to the matching folder. He clicks on the videos folder, and once inside, Mike starts to type Glacier. Zoom narrows the list to the Glacier Express video.